So what's the best way to distribute items inside your backpack? If your items are not distributed properly, not only is it going to be uncomfortable to wear for a long period of time, you're losing valuable space because it's not organized properly, and also time, because if you have to grab one piece of gear, you have to dig all the way on the bottom of your bag just to grab that one thing. Before we jump in, like, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified of all future videos. So we're going to talk about how we recommend distributing the weight inside your backpack. We'll be using the Voyager backpack as a key example. This bag can be used for photography, hiking, and everyday use. So when you open up the bag, you'll see the laptop sleeve and tablet sleeve, and then you'll see the main compartment right here. You can see that we have camera bag dividers, which can be customized based on your gear, or you can remove them if you just want one big open space. So I'd recommend putting the biggest and softest items on the bottom of the bag first. So this could be a pair of pants, a hoodie, a sweater, anything like that. So when you're walking around with your backpack, there's not going to be anything heavy or sharp hitting your lower back. Another advantage is when you start adding more weight to the middle and top of your bag, all of that weight, because of gravity, is going to apply pressure to whatever's on the bottom of the bag. So if it's an extra pair of pants or clothes, it's not really going to damage it. In the middle of the bag, I'd recommend big, firm items. So this is where your camera gear can go, and maybe a couple lenses, maybe a drone, depending on the arrangement of your dividers. At the very top of your bag, I'd recommend lighter items. So if you have a toiletry bag or a tech pouch, snacks, anything that you want easy, quick access to, but also doesn't weigh a whole lot. So you really want to make sure that there isn't too much weight on your camera gear. For the front pockets, I'd recommend items that you need really quick access to. Things like a battery case or cleaning supplies for your camera and lenses. Anything that isn't super precious, but also you need access to quickly. The side pocket is perfect if you have a water bottle or if you have to carry around a tripod. That's also ideal. And then you can secure it with a G-hook. So on the bottom of the bag, you'll see two straps here, which can cinch any item that you need. So if you have a sleeping bag or an extra tripod or anything that's gonna fit horizontally here and can be easily cinched, I'd recommend putting on the bottom of the bag. You can also connect items on your shoulder strap. So if you wanna connect your keys or anything that you need access to, you can easily connect it right there. So that's how I would recommend distributing the weight inside your backpack. There's clear organization in the bag, so you'll know exactly where everything is, and it's not going to make a mess every time you want to grab one item. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified of all future videos. We'll see you next time.